Throughout this video, the Beatbot iSkim is the black skimmer and the Betta SE is the blue one. Right away you can see they both have a similar overall design layout. Up front is where they collect the leaves and the floating debris, and underneath you'll find the drive and the steering mechanisms that let them move themselves about the swimming pool. The Beatbot iSkim has an extra large 29 by 270 millimeters wide inlet and anti-spill baffle that keeps the debris inside while the Betta doesn't. Since they're both surface skimmers, their whole job is to float around the pool and continuously collect anything that's floating on the surface of the water. The first thing I want to look at is how you actually empty them, because that's something you'll do regularly. With the iSkim, I can open the app and press the docking button. It automatically brings itself over to the edge of the pool so I don't have to go chasing around for it. If either skimmer ends up somewhere awkward, both can also be manually driven over using the remote controls. Starting with the Betta, you simply open the lid and lift the basket straight out. One thing I've noticed is that if the basket is really full or if it's a windy day, you have to be a little bit careful so the basket opens on the top and it's possible that the leaves will blow all over right back into the pool while you're trying to keep it clean. Now for the iSkim, press the release button and the basket slides out from the front. I like this design. One reason is the basket is fully enclosed so the debris and leaves stay inside and contained while you're removing it. Once it's out, you just open the front of the basket and dump the leaves and debris where you want them. I hope you can see this in the video. The capacity for the iSkim robot is a lot larger than the Betta, which means the iSkim will go longer between cleanings, make your life easier. The iSkim connects to an app where you can dock the skimmer, control it remotely, create cleaning schedules, and view its cleaning history. There's a lot of technology packed in here. It feels more like a smart appliance than just a floating dumb pool skimmer, and the setup guide walks you through the entire connecting of everything. Let's look at the warranty. The Beatbot iSkim comes with a 3-year warranty and the Betta includes a 1-year warranty. That's something I always like to look at because it gives you an idea how the company stands behind their product and the overall long-term durability. Your skimmer battery life and runtime are so important. I wanted a skimmer that can run and clean all day and all night. The Betta with a full charge died after just 8 hours and I had to retrieve it with my pool net, while the Beatbot with a full charge ran all day and all night. I'm yet to see it stop working. The Betta has a 32 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and the Beatbot has a much larger 67 watt-hour lithium battery. After letting both of these run for a while, they've both done what they're designed to do. They are picking up the leaves and the pool floating debris effectively. The pool surface is clean and the leaves have been collected and they're both cruising around solar powered without any attention from me. That's really the whole point of an automatic pool skimmer. Where the Beatbot iSkim starts to separate itself isn't necessarily in what it does, but in how it goes about it. The larger debris basket means fewer trips to empty it, easier design. The larger 1000 milliamp battery gives it more energy to work with and will last longer. And the app gives you a lot more control over how you use it. Whether that's scheduling cleanings, checking up on it, bringing it back to the edge of the pool, and more. I know comparison videos include a mix of facts and personal experience opinions, but for me and my swimming pool, I give the better product win to the Beatbot iSkim. The Beatbot iSkim is a better value for me in my pool because of the many features and reasons such as a better feeder design, larger basket holding capacity, the thoughtful basket enclosure, larger battery, longer runtime, longer warranty, the smart app, smart cleaning modes, and the one-tap parking feature. So many thoughtful features and designs that will make a pool owner's life much easier. Please check the video description for additional information and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever.